Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to basically like download a picture, right? And then set it in our database. So yeah, so in order to do that we need to first override our save method for our movie, right? Here I have a movie model, and I will get the poster URL. I'm getting the poster URL from the JSON that we have here in our request. Yeah, and then we are saving the poster URL here. So so basically we need to override this def save self and like arts and course, and then first we create a conditional if self, and then this is our image field that we're getting, that we're checking. If our poster equals, it's basically like empty, right? And our poster URL, this field, it's different from nothing. Basically we're saying like if we don't have a poster and we have a poster URL here, that's what we're asking here. We need to we need to import request here. Import request, and if you don't have request, you can install it by pip install request, just like that, right? If you don't have it, you should have it if you're following this tutorial. But yeah, if we don't have a poster and we have a URL, create response will be request dot get self dot poster URL, which we're getting. We are creating a request for this URL, right? And then I'll just name this one like create a new variable called like pb. Pb will be equal to, first we need to import from IO, import bytes IO. And if you let's do like a little search here. If you in the library, in the Python library, you can read more about like this about like the IO, what it does, and like the byte the bytes, as you can see here. And we'll be just basically like getting the bytes from the URL, right? But yeah, we import that bytes IO, and then here I have pb will be bytes IO, and then pb dot write, and we put the content of this request, right? Resp dot content. Okay. pb dot flush That's just to delete the temporary file that it creates. And then we need to set a name, right? So let's create a new variable called like file name will be equal to self poster URL that split we're getting rid of the like slash, right? And then -1, right? Oops. So it should be here. Yeah, pretty much. So now we can set our poster save. This that save like method here. It comes with the image field. So save, and then we have to pass a name. You can, let's say, like picture, but it would, we don't want that. Just pass the file name, and then files. Oh yeah, we need to import files. So here from Django.core import files, so we can work with the like files. Files. Yeah, we add files here, and then file, and then we pass the PB, right? And save. Let's put that false. Why false? Because we're saving it here. We are saving the file here. If you don't put save here, false. If you just leave it like empty, if you leave it empty, you will have like duplicate files, because you will save it here and then like here again in our override method. So let's put set false here, right? Okay, this is weird. Oops. So you will have like duplicate file if you don't put it there. This will return save, and then R's, and oops. Yeah. This should work. Can we bring it? Let's see. Let's go get. Cannot import a get or create one. Yeah, because we don't. What is this? It's pretty bad. Yeah, we don't need to import that. What am I doing? Yeah. But yeah. So this should work right now. Yeah, we can just test. Oh no, because we need to work with our templates. That's what I'm thinking. Like, I'm forgetting something. Yeah, now we need to work with our templates, with details, and we need to work with our URL. All right. But yeah, in the next video, we're going to work with the URLs and our movie details template. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.